So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Kohler Cimarron. This is the elongated chair height model. Old toilet was a Sterling, having trouble with it, and so we talked to them and decided we'd put a new toilet in. We did give you a new stainless steel, braided stainless steel supply line. That's a Fluid Master 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 for a toilet. That's your existing valve. We didn't touch that. Packing nut was leaking, so we did tighten that down for you, so no dripping there. Please monitor that for any further issues. But so the toilet set real nice. It was grouted in. The homeowner wants to grout it back in, so we didn't caulk it in, and they'll take care of that when they get the chance. They're also going to replace this seat. It's a soft close, but it's plastic, and they want the wood, so they're going to replace it on their own. So right now the toilet is filling correctly, flushing correctly, it's shutting off correctly, everything's functioning good. We only had to put one shim in down here by the base. Everything else set nice and flat, so this is a real tight installation. We're happy about that. Hall bath, we're not going to video document. We replaced the trip lever up here. It was not functioning correctly, so we've given you a new trip lever and a new flapper. That's the same toilet. It's Sterling and it's a round, so that's in the hall bath. And we didn't charge any labor on that, so unfortunately there's no warranty on that either. We just charge you for the parts, put them in as a point of courtesy since we're here already. Anyways, outside of that, this installation is done.